Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another video called Important Appointments. So what happens in competitive exams is usually the recent appointments which were made in the previous months before conducting the exam are asked. So let us see what are the important appointments which are made recently. There are actually many appointments, but I have narrowed it down to few appointments which are very important. So let us move forward and see what are they. So let us start with appointments of tech giants. The first tech giant here is IBM, International Business Machine, has got its new CEO. He is actually an Indian. His name is Arvind Krishna. You can see him in the picture. He is from India, and it's a proud moment that he has been made CEO of IBM. And another important fact about him is he is the alumni of IIT Kanpur. So the next appointment is another CEO of Indian tech giant Wipro. He is Mr. Thierry Delaporte. You can see him in the picture. He is actually from France. He already worked with Capgemini and now has been appointed as the CEO of Wipro. So let us go forward and see what are the next appointments. As we know, there are many arms under UNO. So one of them is UNEP, United Nations Environment Program. So United Nations Environment Program has appointed a Goodwill Ambassador. She is none other than Bollywood actress Dia Mirza. So she has been made Goodwill Ambassador and she will remain in this position till 2022. So for 2020, 2021 and 2022, 3 years she will be remaining in this post. And another important appointment is appointment of chairman of CBSE. We all know what CBSE stands for, Central Board for Secondary Education. So senior diplomat Manoj Ahuja has been made the chairman of CBSE. So you can see, as you can see in the picture, he is Indian cricketer Ajinkya Rahane. He is also the vice captain for India in test matches. So he has been appointed as the brand ambassador for a company called Elsa Corp. Elsa Corp is actually an edutech company, something like Byju's. So it has appointed Ajinkya Rahane as its ambassador for India, Australia, New Zealand and SAARC countries. SAARC here stands for South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation Countries. So let us move forward and see what's next appointment. So as you can see in the picture, he is Mr. Pankaj Tripathi. He's a very famous actor in Bollywood. Usually people know him from a web series called Mirzapur. It is very famous on Amazon Prime. So Pankaj Tripathi has been made the brand ambassador of Bihar Khadi. So he is also actually from Bihar. So it's a honor for him. Let us move to the next appointment. As you can see, another appointment from Bollywood. He is Mr. Sonu Sood, a very versatile actor. He has been appointed the brand ambassador of Gargo International. Gargo International is actually based in Delhi and it's a lubricant company, lubricant manufacturer. So with all the good work he has been carrying out during COVID times, he has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Gargo International, which is a lubricant brand. And this appointment is from Pakistan. So for the first time ever in the history of Pakistan, a female lieutenant general has been appointed. You can see her in the picture. Her name is Nigar Johar. So we know we are we will see what are the facts about Pakistan. Capital is Islamabad. Prime Minister is Imran Khan. So it is always important that you correlate things and remember it. And you can see in the picture he is Wasim Jaffer, Indian cricketer, ex-Indian cricketer. He's often known as legend in the Ranji Trophy. So you can see Uttarakhand team, Ranji team has made him the new coach for their Ranji Trophy, upcoming Ranji Trophy. So he is actually a legend in Ranji Trophy cricket. He is the first to complete 10,000, 11,000 and 12,000 runs. Fastest in Indian Ranji Trophy. So in the picture you can see Chintala Govinda Rajulu. He has been appointed the new chairman of NABARD. As you know, NABARD is a bank. It stands for National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. This guy hails from Andhra Pradesh, and in particular he is from Guntur. So it's a very big honor for the people of Andhra Pradesh that one of them has become the chairman of prestigious banks in India. The next appointment here you can see Indian bureaucrat T.S. Tirumurti. T.S. Tirumurti has been appointed as the permanent representative of India to the UN. In the United Nations, each country has their representatives. So now as the permanent representative, Indian government has appointed Mr. T.S. Tirumurti. And this is actually very important, I would say, because you can see M. Netra. She's M. Netra with her parents. So she has been appointed as Goodwill Ambassador of UNADAP. It stands for United Nations Association for Development and Peace. So why is she appointed as Goodwill Ambassador? Because she is a 15-year-old girl from Tamil Nadu and she has donated 5 lakh rupees from her savings for the fund, and she has contributed to the local teachers and schools, giving 5 lakhs from her savings. So it's a very good decision from young lady. That is why she has been appointed the Goodwill Ambassador. Remember, we were talking about Tamil Nadu here, so it's important you remember CM and Governor of Tamil Nadu. So CM is Palanisamy, and I want you to Google who is Governor. It is a sort of homework for you. And you can see in the video, she is the newly appointed President of Taiwan. Her name is Tsai Ing-wen. She has been appointed for the second term. She already served the first term from 2016 to 2020, and from 2020 to 24 she will serve the second term. Now as we are discussing about Taiwan, let us discuss its capital. Capital of Taiwan is Taipei. Okay. And coming to currency of Taiwan, it is Taiwan dollar. So this is how you correlate things and remember. And another political appointment, this time from Iraq. The Middle East country Iraq has got its new PM. His name is Mustafa Al-Kadhimi. So the capital of Iran and currency of Iran are important here. Capital is Baghdad and currency is dinar. And here another huge honor for India. Again, it's Narendra Batra, who has been appointed the president of FIH. FIH here is the international governing body of the sport hockey. So full form is Federation of International Hockey. So the president for this is again Indian. He is Narendra Batra. And there's Honda motorcycles, as we know, famous for automobiles. That it has a branch in India also. It is called HMSI, Honda Motorcycles and Scooters in India. It has appointed MD and MD, CEO and president. One guy is taking up all the responsibilities. He is Mr. Atsushi Ogata. He is also from Japan. As we know that Honda is also from Japan. So Japanese guy leading Japan in India. So the capital city of Japan is Tokyo and currency is yen. So these were important appointments. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if possible I will come up with another video on appointments. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Please do comment, share, like and subscribe.